Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer a domain on IONOS to Squarespace. Well, the first thing I want you to do is log in to your IONOS account, and in the dashboard I want you to click on Menu and then click on Domains and SSL. Now here I want you to just locate the domain you intend to transfer to Squarespace, and then I want you to come here under Actions, click on these three dots. Now here you should see renewal and transfer. I want you to click on this and it will redirect you to this page right here. And you can begin to start your domain transfer. Now, what you need to do is first ensure though that your domain is not locked. So if you come here on a renewal and transfer and you see that your domain is locked, this is toggled on, that means you cannot transfer your domain using third parties, okay? For example, Squarespace, which is a third party. So you need to toggle this one off, just like this, and then you can start the domain transfer. Now, if you don't see this option anyways, that means that your domain is private. So what you need to do is you need to come here, click on privacy and contact details. As you can see, mine is public, but in case yours is private, a private registration means that your domain contact data will not be publicly available. So you need to toggle this one off first, and then what you need to do is go back to renewal and transfer, and then you should see right here change provider and show authorization code. So you go ahead and click on this, and then you'll get your authorization code. I want you to just copy this. You'll be using this later. Now you just take your domain, you can just copy this. Now we come to Squarespace. I'm here on my dashboard. Choose your website, okay, that you want to use to transfer your domain. So here is my current one. So I'll click here on these three dots, and then I'll click on settings, okay? Now, right here under settings, what I want you to do from the left-hand panel, I want you to click on domains and email, okay? Click here on domains, and then I want you to click on use a domain I own. Click on this, and then enter your domain, right? Go ahead and use this. And then what I want you to do is choose from a set of options. As you can see right here, it says registered with IONOS, the date. So you can choose either transfer domain or connect domain. So we'll do transfer, okay? So I want you to go ahead and just click on this. And then right here, they'll give you options to fill in your contact information, your billing address. You can save this and continue, add your payment method, and then at the end, they'll ask you to go ahead and put in your authorization code, and you'll be able to finalize the process. Really that easy, and that is how to transfer domain on IONOS to Squarespace.